Uh, what if James is right about this whole machine thingy? Well, whoa. What if that portal leads to him? Maybe I could lead to him into this world, then, like, use that machine thingy at James' house, then, boom. Everything will work, right? I hope so, but I'm going to jump into that portal trick. Ready, set, now. Whoa. Whoa. Where? No, not you. Not you.
Well. Lightning man.
Dude, I need to save you, please, just give me, like, 3 more days. Dude, I must save you. Just give me, like, 3 more days. Please. Or give me some time.
Get him, boys.
Darn. What did I just do? I must fight this.
No, don't fight each other. You guys are useless. Cave Spider, go!
No. I must...
Look at you losing. What?
You think I'm a loser? Well, keep this.
That's it. You made me.
Easy and peasy. Just useless zombies. Useless little zombies.
You might want to get back inside. You don't want to get dirty.
I'm trying to not get affected by this whole poisonous virus thingy. That one done?
I still have more poison. I still have the poison potion that you gave me. Why don't I drink it some more? Oh.
Darn. I'm getting my butt kicked.
You're getting mad. You know what happens when you get me mad? I bring out the real ones.
Darn. Darn. No. No. I must live again. I must rise up again. No how. Darn how. What about you follow me through this portal?
You haven't figured out my last code.
Then what is it?
Get him!
Darn, I wish I... Wait, no! I need some... Darn!
Well...
I might not be affected, but what about you follow me into the portal to see what happens? Whoa...
This isn't the last time that you'll hear from me. Goodbye.
What about you follow me into the portal, wimp? Whoa.